The Amerindian People's Association on Tuesday convened its 9th General Assembly in St. Cuthbert's Mission. The three-day assembly seeks to address issues affecting Amerindian communities countrywide. It was at this event that APA President Ms. Sharon Atkinson reiterated a call for legislative reform so that national laws can reflect international standards. She said the first step should be the revision and amendment of the Amerindian Act of 2006. APA Legal Counsel Mr. Nigel Hughes echoed the call for the 2006 Act to be amended. He believes that the Act is a very dictatorial one. The Amerindian Act of 2006 provides for the minister with responsibility for Indigenous affairs to make critical decisions on Amerindian issues. The APA wants this power to be vested in the Tushaus.
I find it very difficult to believe that in 2006, parliamentarians passed an act called the Amerindian Act, which had provisions that empowered the minister to override the collective will of the various communities. It is simply unacceptable in this day and age, and I think it should be changed immediately.
Mr. Hughes said that no longer should Amerindian people accept mediocrity from politicians. He made clear that he will continue to fight for the rights of the indigenous peoples.
A guarantee, that will ensure that your rights are always acknowledged and always respected, and will compel each and every politician and each and every institution in this country to respect your rights is the law. And therefore, you have to be prepared to challenge and challenge again and continue to challenge every attempted encroachment on your rights.
Minister within the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs, Ms. Valerie Garrido-Lowe, admitted that the Act is archaic and needs to be reviewed.
With regards to the Amerindian Act, I think as early as possible, villages should start thinking. When you have your public meetings, start coming up with ideas, start coming up with recommendations so that we can get the process going.
The Amerindian Act of 2006 was laid in the National Assembly in August 2005 and debated in October of the same year. The Act was later sent to a select committee and was subject to another round of debates. It was passed in February 2006. It was then assented to by former President Bar Jagdeo and came into effect in March of 2006. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.